Hi everybody, I am here today to do Juice's 25-minute challenge to see how many things I can find in 25 minutes. Well, I'm pretty slow, so I don't think it's going to be too many. I doubt if I can beat him, but I'll put the link for his channel down below. All right, let's see what we can find. Okay, out of the first hole I found this nail and this big old thing. So, let's see what else we can find. Muffy's trying to help me with the 25-minute challenge. Hurry, Muffy, get it! Get it, Muffy! Hurry! Get it! Watch out, then. Watch out! Ow, Muffy! Muffy just bit my arm. Okay, Muffy, I'm gonna dig it out. So I got a couple 22 shells and a square nail out of that hole. Okay, I got that near the surface. Another 22 long bullet. Well, my 25-minute timer has gone off, so I'll fill in my holes and then I'll show you what I got. Well, it's looking like it could rain, and there's a little bit of drips coming out. Okay, these are my finds in 25 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got these 22 shells, pieces of nail. One's a square nail, and this one looks pretty old, has a nut on the end there. So, and just in time too, because it's starting to sprinkle out here and the clouds are looking suspicious. Ooh, I wish it would rain a lot today. All right, see you next time. What do you think, Pepper? What do you think? What do you think? Oh yeah? Oh, you don't want me to pet you? That's Pepper. You don't want to be on camera? Oh, you're in the middle of a bath. Oh. Okay. Okay, Pepper. Pepper just chased Muffy off. We had a little bit of cat drama today. Hope you enjoyed the 25-minute challenge, and if you want to see more metal detecting and treasure searching, check out some of these videos, and don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.